Welcome to another lecture. I would say a video. This is I would like to present my analogy between analog electronics, human brain and universe as per latest complete human brain MRI scan I read in news outlet. Uh, this is my point of view. In one of the news outlet, I read that in a complete human brain MRI scan, first of its kind, a gray matter was observed. So maybe this is how a human brain and universe is connected. Uh, my analogy, I haven't read. Maybe you have already gone through it. Is how a human brain and analog electronics is connected. So in the latest complete human brain MRI scan I read in a news outlet, a gray matter was observed. A gray matter was observed. This was their observation. Mine is different. Mine is that in our brain there exist neurons. Neurons that is are in synapses there exists a gap. Gap implies open circuit in analog electronics, in the field of electronics. So maybe due to this open circuit gives more accurate result than short circuit test. This was told to me by my search that open circuit test generally gives more accurate result than short circuit test. Uh, as per my point of view, between two synapses there exists an spark when exchanging information. Spark exists for an instant of time. So in the signal and system, in signal and system, impulse is represented in time domain as shown. Impulse exists for t is equals to 0, that is delta t. The time goes minus infinity here, and the time goes plus infinity here. In signal and system, spark exists for an instant of time. Sorry. In signal and system, in time domain, this is how an impulse is represented. It exists for time t equals to 0. It is shown by a thick line with an arrowhead represented in bold. Impulse in frequency domain exists in all range. That is, impulse can affect all electrical appliances. We all know that the signal that comes in our home is of 50 Hz or 60 Hz. And our refrigerator, microwave oven, or all of this works under certain frequency range. So impulse in frequency domain exists in all range. That is why impulse can affect all electrical appliances. Impulse is similar to a thunderbolt. So this is how you can say that it is somewhere related to artificial intelligence, because being a engineer, if you want to work in the field of VLSI and in design, to understand the design methodologies, first you should put yourself into the shoes of the VLSI design engineers. They are ideally we want to exceed human brain. By we, I mean that by all of us, irrespective of their domain, we want our computer to exceed our expectations and to give us our desired output. So better to avoid confusion. This was only meant to put ourselves into the shoes of VLSI design engineers to understand how they think. So open circuit test, or in short OC test, for our understanding. There we assume diode as off. Since there exists open circuit between synapses, so maybe this is why open circuit test is more accurate than short circuit test. So maybe this is why assuming diode as open circuit gives more accurate result than short circuit. Our sir told us that open circuit test is more accurate than short circuit test in our class. So this was my conclusion for understanding search point. So that's it. This was a small video on it. So hope you liked it. See you in next video.